Start. Dear members, it is with great pleasure that I extend to you a very cordial welcome this morning to the 26th annual general meeting of your company. I feel this meeting is a very special significance as your company has completed 25 years of its successful career and in my humble opinion can now look back over its shoulder with a sense of justification and with your permission may I also say pride. The report of the Board of Directors and the annual accounts for the year ended 30th June 1977 have already been sent to you. I hope you will permit me to treat them as read. These documents indicate a very significant improvement in your company's working during the year under review. You will observe from the audited accounts that during the year under review, your company's total turnover has improved by 12% over the last year and gross profit is higher. Today, your company has satisfied foreign customers in our 38 different countries apart from the investment allowances of rupees 34 lakhs claimed by us this year against a development rebate of rupees 47,000 last year. The total depreciation this year has increased to rupees 56 lakhs against rupees 35 lakhs during the previous year. I would say in all humilities that your company's overall performance during 1977 is a well earned reward for your management's untiring efforts towards a continuous improvement in the quality and quantity of production. This will be particularly appreciated against the background of rising cost of the major inputs, namely raw materials, labor, utilities, and also the administration. During the last 25 years, the employees of your company have never struck work. However, I am sorry to inform you that for the first time in the history of the company, the workers resorted to a strike since 1st October without any advance notice or a valid justification, although an agreement has been concluded and signed as late as 1st September 1977. If the workers had any genuine grievances, access to management was always easy and open. Instead of resorting to a strike, I hope better understanding will prevail soon without any further loss to all concerned. I would like to conclude after expressing my warm appreciation and sincere thanks to my colleagues on the board, our employees, the Bank of India, and the financial institution whose sincere efforts and cooperation have helped us to make our company what it is today. I thank you all for your presence today and your keen interest in the company's working. Your interest has always been a source of inspiration not only to me and my colleagues on the board, but also to those engaged in the conduct of your company.